Good morning, everybody. So I'm going to make a quick video here about how to do the math activity today. The math itself, you should be able to do. If you need some help, I'll be around. Sydney and Miss W and I will be around till noon today. If you need some one-on-one help, just let us know. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice using a Google app called Jamboard. So Jamboard, if you go to your Waffle, you have Jamboards. So they're right here. It looks like this. This is the icon. But I'm making an assignment for you, so you shouldn't have to make a Jamboard, but if you wanted to play around with them today, they're kind of fun. They're a digital whiteboard. All right, so I'm going to click that. So what we're going to do is you're going to go into Google Classroom. You can go to Classwork, or you can go to Stream. So we go to Classwork, you're going to find two different you're going to find your activity, either Math Activity A or Math Activity B. There's two different groups. So I'm going to show you how to do the Jamboard. The directions are right here. Watch this video. Choose which way you want to complete the assignment. Choose one warm-up activity, about 15 minutes. Complete the assignment and then turn in either a picture of your work on a piece of paper or the Jamboard. Okay, so Jamboards, you might already know about these. In case you do not, so Jamboards are basically a digital smartboard whiteboard. So I posted some activities into a Jamboard, and what you can do is you can go in and write using your touch screen, or if you want to use a cursor, you can use a cursor into the assignment. So what you're going to do, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to increase the size. So you're going to go up here to this magnifying glass, and I like to do about 100%, and then I can scroll around. Okay, so here's our two math warm-ups. We have choice one. You're going to choose, this is one choice, choose a math game to play for 15 minutes, record your top 3 scores and find the average, add to find the total, divide by 3 for your average score. So again, you can use a calculator if you'd like to. If you want to practice your math brain a little bit, try some long division. Choice number 2, find the year someone was born for 3 people in your family. So order from oldest to youngest, add to find the total, divide by 3 to get the average year born for each person. So again, you're going to then divide that, add those up, divide that by 3 and get your average year born. So you just have to do one of these, either 1 or 2. So how you record the information is you can click on your pen here. So we have pens, marker, highlighter, brush. I like to use the pen and I like the color green. So I'm going to choose green. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write my score here. I'm going to write a couple scores. Well, one score. So 450. All right. So there's my answer. If I made a mistake, I can erase. So erase is this one right here. This is a pointer if you want to select. You don't need to really select too much. You can move stuff around if you'd like. You can't resize it. This is a sticky note. So it's another option if you wanted to type your answer. So 450, I'm going to save it. Then I exit out. And then here's my sticky note. And then I can drag it down. Put it right there. And I can resize this one. So I can make that a little bit smaller. If I make a mistake, I can delete it. I can also duplicate it. I can also change it if I want to. So that is that. Again, if you want to make it smaller, you're going to go there. All right, to get to the next page, what you're going to do is go up here and go to next frame. All right, so on this one here, again, we can just make it bigger. You can read the directions. I can write my answers here. I could write them over here if I want. I just have to make sure I know which one's matching up with which one. Again, use your pen. and that's 30. You put a decimal right there. I gotta click it a little bit. Decimal right there. So 30 cents. That is it for today. So each group has one warm-up to do. So choose one of these and then go ahead and do your Jamboard on here. If you're really struggling with the Jamboard, you can write your answers on a piece of paper. So I think you can see that on a piece of paper. Just write them down and then take a photo of it and submit that. Or you can show me your work later if you want to do that. If you can't upload it, you can just show it to me. So I just got to get some info from you guys on what we're doing. So, all right, that is not the right one. So that's it. Good luck. Again, we'll be around till noon today if you need some help with this. Please do activity 1 and 2 before you do this one. It's going to help you understand how to do the games and how to do the average. So good luck. There isn't anything. Oops, you don't have to do that one. All right. So math activity A, I'm going to change that. You don't. I have to delete that. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that and resubmit this assignment. So group A, you do not have to do this in case it's on there. All right. This is for the other group. This is calculations on average. So, all right. Good luck. Again, you can use a calculator if you'd like to. And see you in a bit.